Welcome back everybody to another Fact and Friday video. Today we're going to be going over the pool cue door. This particular pool cue door is 36 inches in width. They're available from 30 to 36 inches. The 36-inch door will hold 11 pool cues, and then it comes with 2 shelves for the pool balls and then 2 adjustable shelves, just standard. These stay in place because of the little grooves that are cut into the shelves, so you don't need to worry about gluing them down or taping them or anything like that as you operate the door. So they stay in place pretty well. Chalk, anything like that, none of this is taped down or glued down. And then you have a little triangle here that hangs quite nicely. Now, the depth on this door is 8 inches and a quarter, which means you're gonna get more pass-through space than with your dresser door or your wine door that are 12 inches depth, which is nice. A question we always get is, why did we put the pool table in the back of the door? Wouldn't it make sense to put it in front of the door so you can access everything while you play? Yes. Little secret, it's actually just a wall sticker. This is a display. So put your table out front, makes things a lot easier. Anyway, that's the pool cue door. If you have any other questions or any concerns, let us know.